So we have the Chinese a money tree. They're $14.98. It's what it is. In Sam's Club. And of course they have the cupcakes like right up front as soon as you walk in to entice you. $15.98. Okay, you need a tray of cookies. They're gonna be 20 and you get 84. So today they have bike and 2 dolls like the Barbie. A bundle for $33. Okay, I found some pillows. They're $17.98. We have butterfly kisses. Butterflies in the sky, right? How it goes?
Yeah, Jordy LaForge, man, reading Rainbow.
Remember reading Rainbow and Ghost Rider? I watched Ghost Rider on a different channel the other day. It's like, I can't believe I used to watch this.
Was it the original?
Yeah, but it's funny looking back at it.
Watch that little thing fly around and make words.
Yeah. Oh, this is a cute one. I know we've seen the ribbon, so they're $7.68. Yeah, see, we've seen this one in a different location. They're gonna be $29.98, and in this one they have both of them, which is really cool. Same price, the only difference, you know, the bunny. This is more foam. You get like an egg here too. Oh, you know what? It lights up. Where does it light up? I just saw the battery pack, so somewhere in here they light up. Like around here. Okay, that's pretty cool. This bunny is like more like a wood one, so I feel like this should be a little better quality for $30. I mean, we could get that at Walmart. Okay, and check this one out. A 5-piece for $39.98. So you get 3 bottle brush trees, and the bunnies, they're right here. Oh, those are kind of cool.
I haven't seen those before.
And a 3-pack is going to be 20. So $19.98. And $14.98 for 22-inch. Really, this one is 14. It says a frost resistant. Actually, $14.98. So 15 for this one. The barrel. These are 20.
I like that barrel.
Yeah, it's kind of cool, right? And this a 3-piece right here. So they have it in white and blue. These are $40. This is what the white one looks like. And $59.99 for the 21-inch square planter. Let's see, removable drainage plug, so you can remove it. Frost resistant. And I want to say this one is 20. Their prices are kind of everywhere. $29.98, and you know these are like plastic. Okay, so the truck, I couldn't find the price on them. It's actually going to be $40. The only okay, there's the yellow one down there. Didn't they have one with a bee? Like a bee truck? Oh, there we go. The honey one. There we go. So that would look cute lighting up, I think. Okay, I want to see what's in their book department today. Taste of Home, 1 pot favorites, $12.98. 5-ingredient dinner. I love my air fryer. Oh, they got rid of a lot of. I wonder what they're doing. It's pretty empty.
Everybody's books are disappearing. Costco's is cut in half.
Yeah, Costco is cut in half, which is like really, really weird. Oh my gosh, what is this one? $14.98. So they have it in white and black. The 2-tier is going to be $25. Okay, today they had the Jose Cuervo. This is a $10.98 here. So Sam's Club for babies. Okay, we have Pampers. You get 936 for $25. Newborn diapers, $47. Okay. They also have Good Start here for $42, a 38-ounce. Infamil will be $50. You think the diapers are a better deal than Costco?
Oh yeah.
$144, $128 for Pampers. $47. They might all be $47, it looks like down here. Different sizes in here. A lot of Pampers. Costco was mainly Huggies. Now, by members mark, they're going to be $24. You get 176 here. Yeah, 28.
I always like Pampers and Loves over Huggies because Huggies had that cardboard in them when our kids were little.
Well, they might change now.
Like
Yeah, we use Loves. We got Blue's Clues.
Yeah.
So, $37 for, you get 234. So some prices are different. Like for toddlers, you get a more count. See, Costco doesn't have stuff like this. $14.98 for organic baby. And you know what? It's really, really easy. And I understand if you're on the go and you don't have time. Steam and blend. Really easy. Let's see, the Grain and Grow Puff. These are $13.73, and you get 6 in here. They also have like stuff for teething, like teether. $11.76. Pediasure, which is going to be $40. They do have Huggies, so Huggies $174 for $47, and they do have chocolate.
I think that's cheaper than Costco. I think Costco is $50-something.
You know, I honestly can't remember. A value pack here, you get 20 jars for $24, so that's not bad. See, more than the Costco. I don't know why my Costco, they don't have a lot of baby stuff. Pedialyte is $15.98, and you would think like the warehouse, like bulk shopping, they would have like more baby items.
I think they just collect whatever they can convert into purple and stuff too.
The Similac. I remember using this one. I don't know how much it is. Do you see a price on that? Okay, clearance here, the Monster Cookie Mix. Let me grab one. $4.91. They are these gluten free? Yeah. It's a little clearance price for you. And next to me, the Mrs. Jones, another Miss Jones. This one is $6.91, and that is a 3-pack. I haven't tried this brand. Maybe I should. You know, I still have trouble baking chocolate chip cookies. Like, come on, how old am I? What the heck? Okay, this one, dark chocolate, no sugar added. I've never seen this one here. $11.98. It is vegan and GMO free. And then next to me is the Marcy for $10. And on this side, you guys, they have good nights here. So they're going to be $42 for 74 count. See, they offer more size range here too compared to Costco. Like they have boys, more pull-ups. These are 42. Let's see. You get more in here for 20 bucks. I believe you got more than Costco. And then 26. This is going to be $18.96 here. See, they got the Mini. They had the Lightning McQueen. And then this is like shampoo and stuff. Definitely more than Costco to choose from. They have Head and Shoulders at $12.98. $6.91. These are pretty much 10. The conditioner and shampoo. Pantene is 10 for shampoo and conditioner. Dove is $16.48. This one's $10.84. The Revlon brush is here for $42. Okay, let's see. Drunk Elephant, $62.98. Now, not all Costco's, but every now and then in different locations you find this. Oh, look, they have this here. Huh. This is $20, you know, the dupe. I haven't seen this yet in Costco. I want to say first time in Sam's. Last year they had that in the Costco. And the cleansing balm, which is new here for $15.98, and of course you get 2. And $32. Oh gosh, they're playing what's the song called?
It's supposed to be Caribbean Queen.
Caribbean Cream.
Like Caribou
Queen. Yeah, because my kids, when they were younger, they loved that Caribbean Queen song.
They always sing it as Caribou.
Yeah, they would say Caribou.
Like
I don't know. Gold Bonds here is $22. Aquaphor here. Coconut body oil is $14.98, and that is a 2-pack. Okay, rain bath. I want to say, I'm not sure if the sale is over in Costco, but I think it was like 13. Here they have like pomegranate, 18.98. Dove is 16. I want to say maybe same price in Costco for the soap. Now, every now and then the soap will go down in price. I think the last time I might have been pushing like 10 to 11, which was a good deal. So it was definitely cheaper than Walmart. Dove right here for children, $13.98. On top, Method body wash, $19.48. And $10.98 body scrub and wash. More Dove, Olay, $15.98. I have no idea how the song goes, but you know that beat is always in your head when you hear the song. I'm one of those people who don't say the correct words in music. $7.98. I'm more of a beat listener. I listen to the beat more. My husband and is more like listening to the words and then he'll tell me. I'm like, what? It said what? I'm more of the beat. $15.98. Caress down here, $9.48, and you get 16. See? Good deal. And they definitely offer more pad options, like the sizing. Costco only had like 2 different. $13.94. Only for size 2. I always need a size 3, guys. And nobody has them. Okay, and you know, toothbrushes, a mouthwash. Yeah. Meyer's hand soap is $10.98 at the bottom. Alright, you guys, I think that is it for Sam's Club. Nothing new in the food department. Kind of came in here just to pick up some water for work. Please stay safe. Oh, look here. Okay, yeah, $13.48 for That's It, which I just came from Costco and I want to say same price. But you only get 12 in here. Costco, was it 24? See, and they only have apple and banana. I don't know why they do that here. I mean, you get lesser for the same price in Costco. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one.